Welcome to December 10th, 2025, where we're going to open up the Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. This is the back of the box here with a few sneak peeks. And the only sneak peek we've seen so far, actually I don't even think it's been that embossing folder, so there must be 2 embossing folders in here. Haven't gotten one of these yet, and we're opening up day 10, so it's right over here. This looks like it's going to be a die set. This has been a really heavy on dies box, which I greatly appreciate because I love the dies and the embossing folders the best. Let's see what we've got here. If you want to be notified every time I release one of these videos, feel free to hit the bell icon and YouTube will let you choose how frequently you'd like to be notified. Just a reminder that subscribing to my channel is free. Oh! Look at that, we get the toast. So that is the little sneak peek on the back. Very fun. I am a sucker for the food dyes. I actually have bacon, eggs, and waffles already in my stash, so I have a feeling that some of them may be coming out to play with this toast, because how fun will that be? And okay, these are a good size. Alright, let me get a magnet actually. I do store each day in its own honeybee folder, so if it doesn't have a die, for instance like the stencil in day 7, it's just in a folder on its own, no magnet, but we've got the toast, so they sell them with matching magnet sizes as well, so this is how I prefer to store them. And then obviously you're going to have more than one folder, and they're going to be a little bit different size potentially because of what's in the box. So to keep them all together as one in my storage, I actually have a larger 8.5 by 11 envelope from Amazon that I then stick the different days into, and that keeps them filed upright, and they're labeled so I know the advent calendar and everything in here came from this advent. So for day 10, we have toast. Alright, so that could be butter or jam. Oh my gosh, they've got arms and legs. That's too cute. Okay, this little piece that looks like a pill could be a pill on a get well shaker card, but it's actually for the back of the eyes so that you don't have to color them in. And then I'm going to say that looks like optional. That's the cheeks right here. Okay. And a couple different layers of toast so you can make the crust like a dark brown and have white toast if you want. This is super cute. I love that they're coming out with personified food with arms and legs dancing. I have the pasta set as well. I'll probably be making a ton of cards with this throughout the year. Alright, so I'm going to get making on this, and I'd love it if you would tag me in your makes so I can see how you use this. And when we come back to the video, you'll see how I used it. And have a great rest of the day. If you like my card, please hit the like button so YouTube will know to send this to other people looking for Advent inspiration. Feeling strongly about my card? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be posting the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar throughout December 2025. Subscribing to my channel is free and allows you to find my videos faster. If you'd like to know when my videos are posted, click on the notification button and select your preferred notification frequency. If you're also crafting with this calendar, please tag me. I'd love to see your projects.